If you're experiencing login issues on your Orange 2026 device, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. Try opening a web page or using another app that requires internet access to confirm connectivity. Step 2. Verify your login credentials. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. Turn off your Orange 2026, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. Step 4. Clear cache and data. Go to the settings menu, find the app related to the login issue, and clear its cache and data. This can help remove any corrupted files that might be causing the problem. Step 5. Update the software. Check for any available software updates for your Orange 2026. Keeping your device updated can fix bugs and improve performance, including login functionalities. If you follow these steps and still encounter issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.